Welcome. In project management, gathering accurate data is the cornerstone of success. We'll explore various methods you can use to collect input from stakeholders. Whether you're managing a small project or a large initiative, these techniques will help ensure you're well informed and on track. Why is data gathering so essential? Stakeholder input provides insights into needs, expectations, and potential risks. It ensures your project decisions are informed by diverse perspectives, helping you deliver results that truly matter. With the right data, you not only manage risks, but also encourage collaboration and innovation. Let's look at the most effective data gathering methods used in project management. We'll cover interviews, surveys and questionnaires, focus groups, observation document and report reviews, workshops and brainstorming sessions. Each method offers unique strengths, and you might choose one or a combination depending on your project needs. First up are interviews. Interviews are a personal and flexible way to dive deep into stakeholder opinions. They can be structured with prepared questions or unstructured, more conversational, allowing you to follow up on unexpected insights. This method works best when you need in-depth understanding. Next, we have surveys and questionnaires. These tools let you gather information quickly from a large group of stakeholders. You can design surveys with multiple choice questions, Likert scales, or open-ended fields to capture both quantitative and qualitative data. They're especially useful when you need a broad view of opinions. Focus groups bring together a small, diverse group of stakeholders to discuss specific topics. A skilled facilitator can guide these sessions, encouraging interaction and generating creative ideas. This collaborative method can reveal common themes as well as unexpected viewpoints. Observation involves watching how processes are carried out in real time. This method is particularly valuable when stakeholders might not be aware of issues or when behavior cannot be fully captured through direct questioning. Observations can reveal inefficiencies and uncover opportunities for improvement. Don't overlook existing resources. Reviewing project documents, historical reports, and meeting minutes can provide vital context and background information. This method helps you understand past decisions and identify recurring challenges or successes. Workshops and brainstorming sessions offer an interactive way to gather ideas and feedback from stakeholders. In these sessions, participants collaborate in real time, often leading to innovative solutions and building a sense of shared ownership over the project. Choosing the right data gathering method depends on various factors: the number of stakeholders, the depth of information needed, time constraints, and even your project's complexity. Sometimes, combining methods provides the richest insight, using surveys to cast a wide net and interviews for the deep dive. Once you've gathered the necessary data, the next step is analysis and integration into your project plan. Use charts, graphs, and stakeholder feedback summaries to communicate your findings to the whole team. This transparency not only builds trust, but also helps in making, to recap, effective data gathering is essential for successful project management. Whether you choose interviews, surveys, focus groups, observation, document reviews, or workshops, each method provides valuable insights